How are you doing, Chana?
I'm doing so well. How are you?
Very good. Are you excited for the upcoming eclipse?
I am completely excited.
Wow, me too.
Yeah. I've never seen a solar eclipse, so I'm so excited to see one.
Same here. I have.
Okay.
I have missed the totality just by 3 seconds in 2017. So I'm really looking forward to this totality now.
Yeah, so we can't have clouds so you don't miss it this time.
No. I'm telling every single person send good vibrations.
Absolutely.
So that we don't have any clouds, just a clear sky, and we get the beautiful view.
I love it. Yes. So I have a couple questions for you.
Go ahead, please ask.
What's the difference between a partial, total, and annular eclipse?
Oh, that's a very, very good question, and people usually get confused. So, moon and sun and earth, how like the moon goes around the earth, and moon is much smaller than the sun, but the ratio of the size and distance is so beautiful that moon is 400 times smaller but 400 times closer. So in the sky they look almost the same size.
Wow, that's incredible.
It is. So when moon sometimes starts to come in front of the sun as it goes around the earth, so when it just slightly starts to come in front, that's the partial.
Okay.
And it stays partial until it covers 100%. So when it 100% covers, that's the totality, and that's when we get to observe the darkness, the day changing into night. And that's going to happen this time only for 4 minutes.
Yes.
And then as it glides after totality, it's going to go on the other side. It's again partial.
Okay.
So it starts from partial,
That's right.
total, again partial, and then when it's completely outside, that not blocking the sun at all, then no eclipse.
Okay.
Annular is kind of total eclipse, but the difference is at the time of annular solar eclipse that actually happened last year in 2023 October.
Okay.
Moon happens to be at that time slightly farther from the earth, so the size of the moon was slightly smaller. It was in front of the sun but not able to block it completely.
I see.
The edge of the sun was still visible.
I see.
And that is called the ring or
Okay.
annulus, and that's how the name came, annular.
You're such an expert in all these things. So
Thank you, Shannon.
why is a lunar eclipse more common than a solar eclipse?
Well, I would say that's a misconception.
Okay.
Actually, overall, at any given year, total combination of solar and lunar can happen 7 times. That includes partial eclipses. So the question goes to why we think that lunar eclipses were common, because lunar eclipses have been seen by more people as compared to the solar eclipses. Whenever a lunar eclipse, whenever a lunar eclipse is happening, anybody on the night side of the earth can see the lunar eclipse. But when the solar eclipse is happening, only a certain portion of the earth get to see the solar eclipse. Also, lunar eclipses are safer to watch.
Sure.
When you go outside, you just don't need any aid, you just watch it. For the solar eclipse to watch, you need special aid, you need eclipse glasses.
Right.
And it happens, as I mentioned, just in a narrow range on the earth. And 75% is water.
Okay.
So many times it falls either on ocean or hard to reach places like mountains. And that's the reason lunar eclipses have been seen by more people. So we think, hey, lunar eclipses happen more than the solar eclipses.
We just have more access to them.
Well, yes, exactly. We have more easy access and safer access to the lunar eclipses.
That makes perfect sense.
Yes, it does.
So where's the best place to watch the eclipse?
Okay. If you really want to enjoy the totality, I would say the best place, Dallas-Fort Worth.
Of course.
Okay. So any place where you have the clear view of the sun from 12 p.m. all the way up to about 3 p.m. on April 8th, within Dallas-Fort Worth area, you are good. Okay. On the far west Fort Worth, they are not going to see totality.
I see.
Denton, Weatherford, they are not going to see totality.
Okay.
So they will see 99%, but 99% does not equal 100%.
Sure.
So they will miss the darkness. So if the people are living that area, they need to come.
They should come over to UTA.
They should come over to UTA. And within Dallas-Fort Worth, every place is planning something. Every city, library, institute, and UT Arlington is not behind.
That's right.
We have a lot of activities starting like pre-eclipse, during eclipse, and after eclipse. So just go to UTA website, put eclipse, and get a list of all the events and enjoy it.
Fantastic. I look forward to the 8th.
Yes, me too. Thank you so much.
Me too.